What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I am doing a full in-depth review of the Jessicurl line. They sent me a ton of their products and I really wanted to give every single one of them a try. So I've been testing them out over the last week and a half to 2 weeks so that I could give you guys a full rundown of all of the products that they sent me. I did actually try these products many years ago, but to be honest, I don't remember if I liked them, how they worked on my hair or anything like that. And I've had so many requests to try out this particular line. So I'm super excited to bring you guys this review today. If you enjoy hair videos like this, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to leave me a comment and let me know what other product lines you really want to see me review on my channel, and I will do kind of a similar thing where I try them out for a few weeks and give you kind of a more in-depth type of review. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button down there. Make sure to hit the bell so that you get notified when I upload videos here on YouTube. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump on into this review. To start this off, I want to say this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. They did send me 8 different products from their line. They do have different collections, and what I was sent is the Rich and Radiant collection, and it kind of comes with this little insert, which I think is super cool. It's a little step-by-step instruction for this particular collection, so it kind of goes through the items that are in this collection and tells you exactly how to use them. So I really love this so that it kind of makes it a little more foolproof instead of trying to guess exactly how you're supposed to use it. But they also sent a few other products outside of the Rich and Radiant collection. The Rich and Radiant collection is best for thicker, drier, curly hair. So at first I was kind of like, oh, I'm not sure, because my hair is a little bit on the finer, thinner side. So I wasn't exactly sure if this line was going to be too heavy for my hair. But there are collections for wavy hair. There's obviously the Rich and Radiant collection is great for thicker hair. And then they have a collection that's good for more coily, kinky type of hair. So I really love that about the brand. And they do have a ton of products to choose from. If I remember correctly, I do believe this product line is priced pretty well as well. I don't think it's too high up there, but it is a little bit more than drugstore kind of pricing. I'll leave the price of each product that I test out here on the screen. I think you can buy pretty much all of these products in travel sizes. So if you want to give this brand a try, then definitely reach for the travel sizes first before you invest in the full size products. I always say that if ever you're trying out a new line. They do have different scents. You can get it non-fragrance, or you can choose from several different fragrances available. They sent me the citrus lavender fragrance, and I think it smells incredible. It's a very light scent. It's not too fragrance. I love it. So the first day that I tried out these products, I first went in with the hair cleansing cream to go ahead and wash my hair, and this is a mild moisturizing shampoo alternative. So it is not a shampoo, does not contain sulfates or anything like that, and it doesn't really lather a ton. So the hair cleansing cream did a great job of really cleansing my hair, cleansing my scalp. It didn't feel stripped, it didn't feel dry, it still felt very moisturized. And then I went in with the Touchet Extra Moisturizing Conditioner. This is a part of the Rich and Radiant collection, so it is for that thicker, drier, textured hair. But you can actually use this as a deep conditioner for finer hair. So if you have a finer texture and you want a good deep conditioner, you could use this and leave it on for 30 to 60 minutes. I just use this as I would my regular conditioner. I left it on for 3 to 5 minutes and then just rinsed it out. I didn't rinse all of the conditioner out. I left just a little bit in, since today I wasn't going to be deep conditioning my hair. They did send a deep conditioner, but I used that on another wash day. So I just left in a little bit of the conditioner when I rinsed out my hair. And the conditioner had really great slip. I didn't have any problem detangling my hair. I really enjoyed the cleanser and the conditioner in this line. When it was time for styling products, I had several different styling products to choose from. They did send me 4 different styling products, but I decided to go in with what is in the Rich and Radiant collection. I went in with the Rockin Ringlets Styling Potion, and this is supposed to encourage and enhance your curls. And for all of these products, they suggest to apply to soaking wet hair, which is what I like to do anyway. So I did go in with this on soaking wet hair, and I kind of put it on in sections so that I could make sure that all of my hair was coated. Since this is a cream product, I knew I kind of wanted to follow it up with a gel, and since they did send me a gel, I thought, why not? I do like to layer my products, so I went ahead and followed the cream product up with the Spiralicious Styling Gel. And this gel is really interesting to me because it has this white color to it. It's not like any other type of gel that I've ever seen. Normally, when you think a gel product, you think like that it's normally like a clear gel. This almost looks like a cream product to me, but hey, I went ahead and went in with this, kind of put this all over my hair, scrunched it out, went in with my hair repair towel as I normally do, scrunched it, and then I went ahead and plopped today for about 30 minutes. And then after plopping for about 30 minutes, I went ahead and went in with my diffuser and I diffused the rest of the way. And last but not least, once my hair was diffused, I did go in with the oil blend that they sent to add shine to the hair. And this is something that I would normally do to scrunch out any crunch or cast on the hair. But I will say with the products that I used today, the Rockin Ringlets and the Spiralicious Gel, I didn't have any type of cast or crunch to the hair. My hair was very, very soft. It was very defined, which I loved, but I definitely felt like I needed a little bit more hold to make it last. Overall, I really enjoyed the products that I used. I liked the results. Day 2, my hair still looked pretty good. I really didn't have much frizz at all, and I didn't feel like I needed to do a ton of refreshing. Went ahead and decided to go in with this product. This is the All Inspiraling Spray. This is a midday curl refresher. With all of their products, it says to shake the bottle. So before you use it, you really want to give it a good shake and then go in with whatever product you're using. But this, you spray lightly onto dry hair. So I just kind of like hit the spots that I felt like I needed it, that were feeling a little dry, that were feeling a little more on the frizzy side, and then kind of smooth my hands over it to kind of lay down any flyaways. And after I kind of sprayed that in, I hit it with the diffuser for literally a couple of minutes because my hair wasn't really even that wet. And here were my results from using the midday refresher spray. I definitely felt like with this spray, it gave my hair a little more grit, a little more hold. So I felt like I was able to get a bit more volume with this. So I really enjoyed that. I would have definitely continued using this spray for my refresh days because I really love the results if I didn't have other products to test out. But I still had more products that I really wanted to test out for y'all. The next day, this was day 3 hair. It was a bit more frizzy. It definitely needed a bit more refreshing than the day before. I decided to go in with the Confidence Coils Styling Solution. This is more of a cream type of product. This defines touchably soft curls in all climates. I definitely want to try and use this after a fresh wash and see exactly how this product really does on its own. So I definitely have a little more testing to do. Because this normally goes on soaking wet hair, I went ahead and put a little bit in my hand and sprayed some water in my hand and kind of mixed that together to water the product down. And that way I could just kind of go in with the roping method and the praying hands method to kind of get my hair a little more saturated with product and kind of refresh more areas that needed to be refreshed. And so I kind of did that throughout the hair, scrunched it again, and then hit it with the diffuser for about 5-10 minutes. I did use the oil blend. I use the oil blend every single day at the end of my hairstyling routine. And then here were my results from that refresh day. And once again, I really loved the way my hair turned out. So the next few days after that, I actually just wore my hair in a messy bun. I didn't even worry about refreshing it. So that led me to day 6 hair. On day 6, I really could have extended my wash day even longer because my hair still looked pretty decent. I don't have a clip of it, but I decided to go ahead and wash it again because I really wanted to give the deep conditioning treatment a try. So I went ahead and went in with the cleanser again, and then I went straight in with the deep conditioning treatment. I put this on in sections. It's a very thick formula. You can tell that it's going to be very moisturizing. It has that same amazing citrus lavender scent, and it says that you can leave this on for 30 to 60 minutes. On the directions for this, it says that this can be used as a leave-in conditioner for thicker, drier hair types. I left it on for about 30 minutes and then rinsed it out. Since I really wanted to see if I could get that extra hold in my hair, I went ahead and went in with just the Spiralicious styling gel. I just wanted to kind of see how the gel did on its own. And this says that it provides all-day hold and frizz control for all hair types. I used a pretty generous amount. I'm not gonna lie, I tried to cover every single piece of hair on my head. I went ahead and went in with that, and then I scrunched everything out like I normally do, and instead of plopping, I just felt like I really wanted to try to air dry with this product in my hair. I never ever air dry, but I thought, you know what, we're just testing things out. I lasted about 2 hours and then I was like over it. I was like, okay, let me just go ahead, finish with the diffuser. So I went ahead and hit it with the diffuser. Once again, went in with that oil blend to just make sure that I had some shine to my hair. And this time I did have a tiny bit of a cast. It still wasn't like a super hard cast or anything like that. I was able to scrunch it out super easily, and it left me with super soft, beautiful, defined curls. My hair definitely looks more elongated because I did let it air dry, so gravity and the products on it was, you know, obviously weighing it down. But I felt like even with air drying, I still felt like I had decent volume. I honestly feel like I might start using this product here and there and air drying my hair, because I don't think I've ever air dried my hair with any product and really loved the results. And so then that brings us to today's hair, and I actually have not washed my hair since that last styling. The last few days I really didn't refresh my hair at all. It looked great with that Spiralicious gel. I felt like I really did not need to refresh. Today is probably day 4 since that last wash, and so I went ahead and wet down my hair quite a bit today. I didn't get it soaking wet, but just wet it enough so that I could get a good refresh. And then I went in with this product right here, the Rockin Ringlets Styling Potion. And the reason I went in with this is because this has a very kind of thin texture to it, and so I didn't want anything that was too heavy or that was going to weigh my hair down. I don't like to use super heavy products on my refresh days. So went in with this, scrunched everything in, and then I hit it with the diffuser, and these were my results today. It definitely made my hair curlier, but I still have volume. It didn't weigh my hair down, and I love my results. To conclude, you guys, this might be my new favorite line, like overall, because trying out so many different products and loving all of them, like being sent 8 different products and really enjoying every single one is pretty much unheard of. I give the Jessicurl line an A+++. What do you think of my results? Let me know what you guys think of this line. If you've used this line, what products are your absolute favorite from this line? If I had to choose one as my favorite, it would be this one right here. This is the Spiralicious Styling Gel. I am a sucker for an amazing styling product, and this really did it all. It gave me definition, it gave me hold, and I just really love this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this review. Again, if you guys like the more in-depth review and tutorials, then let me know. Obviously, the videos are a little bit longer, but if you like that kind of style, then I will definitely do that going forward. That is it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Peace out.